Hi everyone! In September, we prepared for you 2 incredible miniatures that you can add to your collection. Ethercap Ambusher. Twisted by dark magic, this spider-like humanoid lurks in the shadows, spinning traps and venomous webs to snare the unwary. Ideal for forest ambushes, nightmare realms, or unsettling encounters in ancient ruins. ID-10 Searcher Drone, sleek, fast, and bristling with surveillance tools. The ID-10 Searcher Drone is the Empire's eye in the sky. Whether stalking rebels or mapping forbidden zones, this hovering menace adds tension and high-tech espionage to any galactic skirmish. If you want to stay up to date, subscribe to our new YouTube channel. Stay tuned for our new additions.